You asked, how to divide 5280 by 3 using the long division method. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1760.